Alright guys, so it is Sunday, August 4th, 2024, and here's the American Standard running without the compressor. It was working fine yesterday. I'm not sure what's going on with it now. But I don't recall hearing any vents while I was inside. Yeah, it's cold, but it's been sweating, so the compressor probably has been running. I don't know why the fan's running. And the fan blowing up the top is pretty cold. (2006) 4-ton. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with it. It cannot be a bad capacitor because the capacitor just got replaced like about a couple months back. But I don't know if the compressor's bad. Well, it probably is. Because it probably was just running, because I could see some sweat dripping down there, and peel this back, it's a bit sweaty. So the compressor probably was just running, and now it's crapped out. Yeah, because this is really cold, and that's cold, but a little sweaty. Like when you go down here, there's some sweat. But yeah, it's pretty strange. It was working fine yesterday. I'm not sure what's going on with it now. Compressor is running and everything. But I'll probably go inside here and confirm if there's any vents blowing any cold air or not. Or blowing any air for that matter. But I had plans to do startup and shutdown of this unit this morning, but apparently that's a no-go. Well, anyway. There's a Goodman down there. Well, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Over and out.